stock solutions are concentrated So it's a concentrated solution that's used to make other solution. So you simply add water to the stock solution to dilute that solution to make the concentration lower or to decrease the molarity. So there's a simple formula for doing dilution mathematics, and that is M1 V1 equals M2 V2. So the M's are molarities, and the V's are volumes. Molarity is always recorded in moles per liter, but you can see mathematically that your volume can be in liters or milliliters as long as V1 and V2 are in the same units. Let's check out an example. What volume of 16 molar sulfuric acid must be used to prepare 1.5 liters of 0.10 molar sulfuric acid? So we're trying to make this. This is a set. Okay? This is our second volume and our second molarity. Okay? We want to make 1.5 liters of 0.1 molar. That's a set. So then this molarity, the 16 molar, that's our stock solution. That's what we're starting with. That's our M1. So we want to know what volume of M1 are we going to need to make this second solution. So let's plug that into our M1V1. Let's use a different color. So M1 is 16 molar V1, and that's equal to M2. And V2 right now is in liters. You can leave it in liters. You can convert it to milliliters if you want. It doesn't matter. Let's just leave it in liters. Okay. So we're going to solve for V1 by dividing everything by 16 molar. And you can see here that the molarities cancel and you're left with liters. So if we'd had milliliters in there, it wouldn't have been a big deal. We just would have gotten an answer in milliliters. So when you do this math, you get 9.4 times 10 to the negative third liters. Oh, maybe we should have put it into milliliters. 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So we could also say 9.4 milliliters of 16 molar sulfuric. So we would take 9.4 milliliters of 16 molar sulfuric acid and put that in a volumetric flask, and then we would fill the flask up to the 1.5 liter mark to create our new solution.